BLIZZARDThe Overwatch Anniversary kicks off, and MayThe Overwatch Anniversary event for 2018 has received its first official tease from Blizzard today. Posting the official release date for the new celebration, the development team revealed that fans don't have long to wait. When is Overwatch Anniversary starting in 2018? Blizzard have confirmed that the returning event will be released on May 22, 2018. 50 new items are expected to be released as part of the new celebrations, providing a lot of new cosmetics to collect. This will mean new Overwatch Anniversary event skins, some of which were teased in a new trailer released today. 8 new legendary skins and 3 epic skins have already been announced as included, although it's unclear which characters will be getting them at this time. New emotes have also been guaranteed for characters like Doomfist, Moira and Bridget, so expect some teases in the days before release. It appears some of the newer heroes will be getting more love in the upcoming update, which will also add a new map. This will be called Petra and will be limited to deathmatch mode only. Another big announcement made by Blizzard today is the news that the Overwatch Anniversary event will include a lot of past content. Not only will fans be able to pick up past skins, but they will also be able to play seasonal arcade modes as part of the anniversary event. It looks like this will be the event with most amount of cosmetic items to grab ever. Lootbox breakdown: players who log in for the anniversary event will receive 1 bonus legendary anniversary lootbox, which will guarantee 1 legendary item. Players who purchase the 50 lootbox bundle will receive 1 bonus legendary anniversary lootbox. All previous seasonal event loot will be included in loot boxes for the duration of the event. Blizzard also announced that a new version of Overwatch, Legendary Edition, will be released digitally on May 22 as part of the celebrations. The Legendary Edition will include sets of Legendary, Epic, and Origin skins for a total of 15 skins with purchase. The Overwatch Brazil Twitter account leaked the Anniversary 2018 announcement earlier this week. Junkrat was featured getting a pirate-themed skin that can be unlocked via loot boxes or in-game cash. The original Overwatch Anniversary event added 100 new cosmetics items, which were available in commemorative loot boxes. Fans were able to find costumes, dance emotes and sprays, as well as a large collection of Overwatch legendary skins. Blizzard also added 3 new arena maps that supported 3v3 elimination rounds. The new maps were named Necropolis, Castillo and Black Forest.